Hey everyone! Love rich, flavorful vegetable curry, but hate the long cooking time? I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm breaking down the top 6 best cookers that make curry faster, tastier, and easier than ever. Whether you're a tech lover or a home cook, these smart cookers will transform your kitchen game completely. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other details. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest smart kitchen reviews.
Number 1. Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. If you're looking for a reliable, beginner-friendly cooker for vegetable curry, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is a fantastic choice. I personally love how versatile it is. It combines 9 appliances into one, including pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, and more. For curry lovers, the pressure cooking function locks in spices and flavors beautifully, giving you rich, aromatic dishes in less time. The improved control panel with a progress bar makes it easy to monitor your cooking, which is great if you're just getting started. It also features multiple smart programs, specifically designed for soups, stews, and sautéing vegetables. Cleanup is simple thanks to the stainless steel inner pot. Whether you're making a simple veggie curry or experimenting with complex recipes, this cooker offers consistent, delicious results every time. It's perfect for busy home cooks who want convenience without sacrificing taste.
Number 2. Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 takes things up a notch for serious home cooks and tech enthusiasts. What stands out to me is its upgraded performance and premium design. It offers 10 cooking functions, including sous vide and sterilizing, making it incredibly versatile. For vegetable curry, the higher power ensures faster cooking while maintaining deep flavor infusion. I really like the customizable cooking programs. You can save your favorite curry settings for consistent results every time. The inner pot is stovetop friendly, which is perfect for sautéing spices before pressure cooking. Safety features are also improved, giving peace of mind during use. If you love experimenting in the kitchen and want precise control over your cooking, this model is a solid upgrade. It's designed for people who want both convenience and professional-level results in their daily cooking routine.
Number 3. Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11-in-1 Air Fryer. This one is a game changer. The Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11-in-1 combines pressure cooking with air frying, which opens up so many possibilities. When making vegetable curry, you can pressure cook your dish to perfection and then use the air fryer lid to crisp toppings like paneer or vegetables. I love how it brings texture and flavor together in one device. It's especially great for those who enjoy experimenting with fusion recipes. The 11-in-1 functionality means you're getting incredible value, replacing multiple kitchen appliances. The dual lids may seem tricky at first, but once you get used to it, it's incredibly convenient. If you're someone who loves both healthy cooking and crispy finishes, this cooker is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for tech lovers and foodies who want more creativity in their kitchen.
Number 4. Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi Smart 10-in-1. If you're all about smart technology, the Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi Smart Cooker will blow your mind. This is not just a cooker, it's a connected kitchen experience. You can control and monitor your vegetable curry cooking directly from your smartphone. I find this especially useful when multitasking at home. It comes with built-in recipes and guided cooking, which is perfect for beginners or anyone trying new curry styles. The performance is powerful, ensuring your vegetables are cooked evenly while preserving flavor and nutrients. You can also release steam remotely, which adds an extra layer of convenience. For tech lovers, this cooker is a dream come true. It blends innovation with practicality, making it easier than ever to cook delicious, healthy meals with minimal effort.
Number 5. Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker. The Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker is designed for those who love precision and smart cooking. What I really like about this cooker is its built-in scale. It helps you measure ingredients directly inside the pot, making cooking super convenient. For vegetable curry, this means perfect ingredient ratios every time. It also connects to an app that provides guided recipes and real-time cooking updates. The automation is impressive. It adjusts cooking time and temperature based on what you're making.
This takes the guesswork out of cooking, especially for beginners. The sleek design and intuitive controls make it a pleasure to use. If you're a fitness fan or someone who wants consistent, healthy meals, this cooker is a great investment. It's all about smart, efficient, and stress-free cooking.
Number 6. Ninja SF301 Speedi Rapid Cooker. The Ninja SF301 Speedi Rapid Cooker is all about speed and convenience. If you want your vegetable curry ready in record time, this is the cooker to go for. What makes it unique is its Speedi Meals function, which allows you to cook multiple components at once, like curry and rice, saving both time and effort. I love how efficient it is for busy lifestyles. It also offers multiple cooking modes, including steam, bake, and air fry. The compact design makes it ideal for smaller kitchens without sacrificing performance. For anyone juggling work, fitness, and home cooking, this cooker is a lifesaver. It delivers fast, delicious meals without compromising on flavor, making it perfect for modern home cooks. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our future videos.